Hello, my name is Lindsay Weirich and I want to welcome you to the beautiful world of soft pastel. Soft pastels are chalky sticks of pigment that are just wonderful for creating gorgeous drawings with texture, color, and vibrancy. If you've ever sketched, you know the immediate gratification of putting pencil to paper and making marks, kind of like you did when you were a kid. Well, this medium's all grown up and I'm going to show you how to master it in this beginner course. In the first part of this course, we will go through the different types of pastels, from harder pastels all the way up to creamy, velvety, soft, chalky pastels. You'll learn what's best for what application, and I'll show you many different techniques for using them. I'll also give you advice on where I think you should begin as a beginner collecting supplies, so that way you don't break the bank and you can find out if you really love this medium before investing big bucks. I'll also tell you about pan pastels, which are a type of really super soft pastel that's applied by a palette. So if you don't like the feeling of chalk on your fingers, it's a wonderful option for you. I like to go through this course giving you the benefit of knowing about these different types so you can make wise decisions when you go to add products to your collection. We'll also go over the different papers available and also what I recommend for a beginner. I'll show you how to properly store and mat and frame your work too, so that none of your beautiful masterpieces will get damaged. In the second half of this course, we will paint 4 step-by-step paintings together. You'll go right after me, you do what I do, and you'll be able to create these. We'll be putting the techniques we learned in the first part of the course to the test on real paintings, which I think is really important so that you'll know how to use these supplies when you go out on your own to create your own works of art. I can't wait to introduce you to the joy of soft pastels. It's a wonderfully gratifying, satisfying artwork to create with because there's really no setup time and you can create fairly quickly with vibrancy, texture, and lots of color. If you'd like to join me on this fun journey, look at the link below, click it, and find out more or enroll today. I'd love to see you in class.